Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Natural Remedies. I'm Tracy. Parents with young children know that after breastfeeding for 6 months, the nutrients may not be sufficient, and it is necessary to introduce complementary foods to ensure the baby's health growth. Many parents prepare nutritious porridge for their children. However, because young children's digestive systems are not fully developed, there are many foods that are not suitable for them, and some can even be fatal. To prevent tragedies from happening, today I will share with you some foods that young children must not eat. 1. Honey. Children under 1 year old should not consume honey. Honey can contain spores of the bacterium Clostridium botulinum, which can produce toxins in a baby's immature digestive system. This can lead to a rare but serious condition called infant botulism, causing muscle weakness, difficulty feeding, constipation, and in severe cases, difficulty breathing. Babies under 1 year old do not have fully developed immune systems and digestive systems, making them more susceptible to this condition. It's best to wait until a child is at least 1 year old before introducing honey into their diet. 2. Salt. Some parents add a little salt to their children's porridge to make it tastier. However, experts advise against adding salt to the food of children under 1 year old. The main reason why infants under 1 year should not consume salt is that their kidney function is not fully developed. If infants consume too much salt, their kidneys may not be able to efficiently remove excess sodium, which can be life-threatening. 3. Some type of fish. Many parents like to feed their kids fish because fish are very nutritious. However, some fish, especially sea fish, contain high levels of mercury, which can affect the nervous system development of infants and young children. When choosing fish as a complementary food, avoid selecting larger sized fish or those with particularly high mercury content, such as swordfish, king mackerel, range roughy, Chilean sea bass, marlin, and big-eye tuna. For a safer choice, it's generally recommended to consume fish with lower mercury levels, such as salmon, trout, sardines, and herring. Thank you for watching. Please hit the subscribe button if you like my video. Remember to click the bell button too to get notified about my latest videos. Thank you.